Hey, this is Meditation with Renee. I am Renee, and I want to thank you for joining me on the 16th day of my 30-day meditation challenge. Please find a comfortable seating position, either in a chair or on the floor. Same thing with your hands. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. This type of meditation can bring on a lot of emotion. Feel free to take a break if you need to. We will begin with breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Beginning now. Just a natural pace of breathing. Bringing our awareness to the body. Seek out any discomfort that you might have or feelings that you may have. How are you feeling? What are you feeling? Where in your body do you have these feelings or sensations? Do you feel edgy? Maybe spacey? What is our body trying to tell us right now? Where is the location? Is there any tightness? Is it located maybe in your throat, your chest? What type of emotions or feelings are we experiencing? Maybe sadness? Maybe sorrow? Maybe anger? Just be right now. We have to understand that a process has changed in our lives. Sometimes lessons that we learn as we know makes us sad. Do we look at or do we focus on our loss? Or do we focus on what we gained by having this person or family member in our lives? Do we focus on the time that we did not get to spend with that person or loved one? Or do we become more aware of all the good times and the positive memories that we shared? We can decide to focus on the loss or the gain. We can focus on the missed opportunities or conversations that we won't have, or we can focus on the good conversations that we did have. The way that we currently feel, is it aligned with the way that our loved ones would want us to feel? To honor those, we must honor what they truly wanted for themselves and for us as well. Would they want to see us sad? Would they want to see us happy? Taking time to remember people who've made a difference in our lives, we also must take time to reflect on how are we using the knowledge and the benefit of knowing them to also live our lives. This will take time, but I would like to commend you on the efforts so far. If you feel comfortable, we can go ahead and begin to start to wiggle our fingers, our toes, and if you would like to continue, please continue. If not, go ahead and gently open your eyes. Great job today. I really mean it. See you tomorrow.